Hello students, so few points are remaining regarding the prescription writing. So the last point is regarding what are the advantages for physician and what are the advantages of for patient. So advantages of prescription writing for patient and advantages of prescription writing for physician. What is the beneficiary point for a patient and what are the beneficiary point for physician regarding this prescription writing? Okay, why we are writing prescription, what is the utility of prescription inside of patient as well as inside of physician. So first of all we'll see what are the advantages in case of patient, what are the beneficiary points for patient. See, whenever patient goes to some physician, if he is having that prescription writing, the physician will write some prescription as well as he will write some direction for the patient. So that direction, say for example, if the patient is suffering from some unknown type of fever, or if the physician wants some investigation, so in that investigation he will write in advice for the patient. He like, you should go for this investigation, say for example sonography of abdomen, say for example CBC, say for example urine test. So whatever investigation physician wants to do for that patient, he will write in advice for the patient. So whenever the patient will go home and he will realize, yes, I have to go for this investigation. So these are the beneficiary point for patient. This is the first thing, investigation, advice from physician. The patient will see in the prescription writing and he will go for that investigation. Second important point for the patient only, whenever the physician is giving some directions. Direction, say for example diet control, he should eat this food, he should avoid this type of food. So all the direction are written by the physician will be beneficiary for patient. So patient will go for that type of food and he will not take the food which will cause trouble for his disease. So that is why this is again one more beneficiary point for patient. In case again the third beneficiary point for patient is if some emergency case is there, if some type of emergency in the night or in some acute condition, patient is having severe pain, the prescription writings are having some physician's degree, physician phone number as well as his contact number, his address. So patient can go immediately, patient can call physician immediately. So these all are the beneficiary point in case of patient of prescription writing. Now what are the beneficiary point for physician of prescription writing is, like say for example the patient is coming to the physician and physician has given some medicine to the patient, but next time whenever patient will come again, the physician will come to know ki yes, this medicine I have given to this patient and now what is the follow up medicine. So this is the beneficiary point for physician. Physician can able to realize, can able to understand ki what is my next follow-up medicine, whether I shall go for the placebo, whether I shall go for some next medicine, complementary medicine, or whether I shall go for antidote the medicine, the action of previous dose, okay, to stop the action of previous dose. These all are the beneficial point for the physician. See, ideally the physician, whether it is allopathic physician or it is a homeopathic physician or it is Ayurvedic physician, any physician should write that prescription and he should give hand it over to the patient. Ideally, I am telling. So many homeopathic physicians are not giving that prescription to the patient. They are just maintaining file and they are writing all the record, and that is why by watching that record they are giving next time the follow-up medicine. So these all are the things which can be go on. So in the for the patient, physician, this is very much beneficial because he will able to understand what will be the next medicine. So this is very good thing in case of physician. So these all are the advantages for patient of prescription writing, and these are the advantages of prescription writing for physician. So that is all about prescription writing. So I'll post some abbreviation which are very much important in case of prescription writing. So you just go through that abbreviation. I will highlight that abbreviations as well as some are the important points I will write, and that you must go for 10 marks. You must write, elaborate and get all the note from your textbook. Take a help of your textbook and prepare your own note for prescription writing. So what are the points? Again I will repeat. Number 1 is the etymology, that is word meaning. Then number 2 is the definition. Okay, number 3 is the principle or characteristics of the prescription writing. Number 4 is the parts of prescription writing, all superscription, inscription and all those 4 parts. Then next one is the advantages for patient, advantages for physician of prescription writing. The next one is the write down 2 ideal prescription, any 2 example you can write from your textbook. And number 4 is the next one is the you have to write few abbreviations, which are the commonly used abbreviations. Thank you very much. That is all about prescription writing. Thank you.